Kumuha sila ng milk ni Zayra. So, andito na kami sa mga air conditioner. Meron dito $169. Ito isa Midea. I don't know how to pronounce it. $144. Kaso, manual siya. Hindi siya yung remote control. Welcome to Zayra's Mama and Dada's YouTube channel. Today is the 22nd of May and may bigla ang grocery shopping kami ngayon sa, well, hindi siya grocery shopping talaga. Konting grocery shopping, tapos bibili kami ng air conditioner kasi nga malapit na mag-summer. And this past few days dito sa Connecticut, nagiging mainit na siya. Hindi na nakakaya ng fan. Kung nakita nyo yung isang grocery shopping video namin, bumili kami ng 2 fan. Pero yun nga, nagiging super warm na ang weather dahil pa summer na. So, kailangan na namin bumili ng air conditioner. Pupunta kami ng Walmart para doon. Tapos, bibili rin kami ng ibang mga groceries. Pero konti lang. Dahil nga nakapag-grocery na kami this week. Currently, it's 19 degrees Celsius. Maaga pa. 8 o'clock? 8 in the morning. Past 8 in the morning na. Ay, hindi. Past 8 in the morning pa lang. Kaya, ang vlog na ito is walang ligo vlog. Hindi kami naligo kasi nga nagmamadali. Kasi mamayang gabi, babalik na si Love sa kanyang work. And, siningit lang namin ang pagpunta sa Walmart ngayon para nga bumili ng air conditioner. Kasi si Zayra, nahihirapan siyang matulog pagka mainit, diba? Parang hindi siya galing sa Pilipinas. Kaya ayun, naisipan nila na pumunta ng Walmart para nga sa air conditioner. So ayun, samahan niyo kami today. tayo ngayon sa Walmart and walang masyadong tao dahil nga weekdays kasi ngayon ay Wednesday and maaga pa. Kaya maganda mamili dito pagka maaga at saka hindi weekend. Kasi hindi siya ganun ka-busy. Problema ko lang dito pag nagvi-video ako dito is yung kanilang pa-music. Ayan, papasok na kami sa Walmart. Sabi nila, naiinis sila pagka nagvi-video ako sa Walmart. Naiya siguro siya. So ngayon hindi pa siya ganun kainit dahil maaga pa. Yan, kukuha na kami ng cart. Siyempre, si Zayda ay ilalagay ulit sa kanya place. So, maganda ngayon kasi walang pa-music. Maaga pa kasi. Kuha kami ng avocado. Avocado nila is 94 cents each. Si Zayda. Si Zayda. Meron silang mga mangoes. Gusto ko sana kaso hindi maganda. About that love. Now? So wag na lang. 90 cents each. 98 cents each. Zayda! So kumuha sila ng milk ni Zayda. So hanap kami dito ng mga undies ni Zayda. Maliliit na kasi yung mga niya, undies. That one love.
Look at these clothes. Look at those tanks. You should have been buying this crap.
Yeah, this one. Do you think this would fit her? How would we know if this would fit or not? What is this? This is big. Those are briefs, love. Toddler. Is she a toddler? What's the size of this? 40? What is 540? 50?
How do you not know?
I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang size ng pipiliin namin.
Well, we're gonna have
Maybe
to...
this one.
You're just guessing.
This one would fit, love.
These are cheap. They're giving them away because nobody wants them because they're all too small. So it'd be this one. We'll go by the price.
Let's get one and one of this. Get this one. This
One of
pink.
them is long. 4 or 5. This. And if they're too big, she'll grow into them. We'll come back for more.
Okay. But this one looks better. Yeah, just get this one. So if ever that it wouldn't fit, please. It's cheaper. So ano yun? $5.98.
About shirts.
Yeah, shirts. Yeah, and shorts. Then go to 40 and 50.
And then they don't have shirts for 40, 50.
Let's see.
14, 50. But it's not tank. She needs tank tops.
This one. I think this would fit. This would fit, love.
Wait.
Yeah, this one.
Hey, isn't it this thing?
So it should be.
What's her weight?
Her weight? I don't know. Your mother told me to weigh her last time, but I forgot.
Well, maybe we can get the 3T.
So what? What's the
I don't think
decision?
she's over 34 pounds, is she?
34 pounds is like 15 kilograms. Divide 2.2. I get no love. I think yeah. I don't think she's over 15 kilograms. Ano ba yan? Hindi namin alam ang size ni Zayda. Yeah.
It's
ayun, nahihirapan kami pumili dito kasi hindi nga namin alam kung ano bang size ni Zeta.
I thought we were gonna get 2
Sa ano, para sa undies, and then tank tops, and shorts, dahil nga pa-summer na. Karamihan kasi ng mga dinala kong damit para sa kanya is for winter and for spring. So, ayun. Hopefully, yung pinili namin is magkasya. So, andito na kami sa mga air conditioner. Meron dito $169. Itong isa, Midea. I don't know how to pronounce it. $144. Kaso, manual siya, hindi siya yung remote control.
It's got the click, which is better because the digital always breaks.
So, ayan. $144. So, parang nasa, 7,000. Ayun. Hindi ko alam kung magkano exchange rate. Kung 50, sa 5,000 to 6,000 pesos. So, parang parehas lang din sa Pilipinas. Yung presyo. Kuha rin kami ng pan. Ay, pan. Anong tawag dito? Ganito. Kasi wala kaming maliit.
Is this bigger than this one?
No.
2 quart, 3 quart.
Yeah. How much is it? 14. 14.44. Ayan.
Ceramic pie. How cheap this thing is.
So, ayan, naghahanap si Love ng mga gagamitin sa kusina. Dahil siya ang master sa kusina sa aming bahay. Hindi ako marunong magluto.
Yeah, this is $15 over there. Oh,
Just
'cause
get
it's
this
their
one.
brand. Getting confused.
So, ayan, nagbabayad na si Love. Sira! So, yung total is $201.06. Ayan, done na kami mag-shopping, grocery shopping. Very quick grocery shopping sa Walmart. Mabilisan lang. So, ito lang ang aming mga pinamili. Yan. Yung air conditioner, yan talaga ang aming main reason kung ba't kami nagpunta sa Walmart. Tsaka itong mga ilang items. Umiinit na din dito sa USA. Well, dito sa Connecticut. Di ko alam sa ibang state. Pero alam ko dun sa, di ba, pagka sa West Coast, mas warm ang weather doon kaysa dito sa East Coast.
Baby.
So, ayan lang for today's video, guys. Thank you so much again for supporting Zeta's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again soon. Bye!